Hi, I'm going to tell you about Mr.solarz a little bit and some days how he can be a little grumpy or cranky. So usually this can be our fault if we're like not behaving and stuff. So in the beginning of the year for all you math kids, he'll tell you I'm going to be like cranky, like just expect this. And I don't really think it happened that many times this year, but it's not usually a big deal, and you should never cry about it. He's just having a bad day, or you're doing anything, but you should never blame anyone because everyone has these days sometimes. So in the beginning of the year, he did it to us this year, and he'll do it next year. He'll say, so you guys, if there's a day that I'm like this, like it's okay, it's going to be fine. Just listen to him. You'll make it through like a day. If there's some days in math, like sometimes you don't even notice and he tells you, like you can't even notice, and it's like never a big deal. So don't ever blame anybody because like that just makes it worse. And usually it's not one kid's fault. It's the whole class's fault. So don't get like angry at him, and he'll like try his best not to be crabby, but like you guys also have to try your best, because if it's your guys' fault, it's like if he's upset at the class, then you really need to try your hardest to like listen and stuff. So on those days, if you like interrupt him, he might he might yell at you, or he has a shorter fuse on these kinds of days in math. So like if you lots of kids in our class this year like to give him a hug. So like it's probably never a good time to give him a hug, or you just like need to know like how just what he's feeling in a day, because like certain things can upset him and stuff, and usually he's pretty good about letting you guys have fun, so you just need to do that, because usually we take notes in math. So if we're taking notes, sometimes kids will interrupt, and you don't want to do that because that will really push his buttons on a crabby day. Like I know a couple of times kids have shouted out, and he doesn't really like it when he's not crabby, but like when he's really crabby on a math day, he'll get like extra upset with you, and you don't want that. And he'll also put you on a give me 5, which means like you can't talk at all, and you don't really want that to happen. So you don't really want that to happen, and he'll like tell you I'm crabby. So you have to just like be able to read Mr.solarz and know like what days he's crabby in math and stuff. So like if you're taking notes and he says, guys, I'm really crabby today, that means like no interrupting, like don't talk, like I need you guys to be really good. So like if he tells you he's going to be crabby, you just need to be really good for him. Like you shouldn't talk at all. You should try and be like on your best behavior. So that's like, if anything, if he ever gets crabby. So thanks. Bye.